I'm a world language teacher here at Saint John Vianney High School, and it's the best decision I ever made in my life for sure. It's a decision that has brought me so much joy to my life with the most amazing kids, the most amazing faculty, staff, and you notice it more especially during these pandemic times that require good leadership, that require great people around you.
What I personally love about being a teacher at SJV is the small class size. It really gives me a chance to develop positive relationships with each of my students and support them as individual learners and thinkers. SJV offers a Catholic education that emphasizes 21st century skills, so students have opportunities to take what they've learned and apply it in innovative and engaging ways beyond just the multiple choice test.
I want to teach the kids to see the world a little differently, okay? To think about the world and not just follow along with everybody. And history is not just in the books, it's not just in documents. History lives inside of us, and every action we make is a result of what came before us.
At SJV, we emphasize writing across the curriculum. Students learn the subtle differences between crafting a literary analysis paper, a historical research project, and a scientific report, so that whatever path they choose to pursue in college, they're prepared.
One of my favorite projects is a trip to Italy, where they have to actually put together an actual trip to Italy. Tickets and hotels and locations, and it's a great hands-on experience. And a lot of us do things like that here, very hands-on, particularly because we are so high-tech that we have the opportunity to do that, to really bring it to the next level.
So I know in other schools, art sometimes takes the back seat, but here at Saint John Vianney, I'm very proud of our program. It keeps growing. We're always supported. Actually, just this year, we have 5 more art classes than we were able to offer last year. Creativity and exploration are things that all students should be able to experience, no matter what their goals and aspirations. Resourcefulness and creative problem-solving skills will always come into play, no matter what career someone chooses.
One of the things that SJV allows in the classroom is so many various ways of assessment. Assessment can be such a scary term, but when you're getting an assessment and you're basing that assessment on a strength or a skill that you're already feeling really comfortable with, you can excel even more so. So if you're not necessarily very comfortable taking a standardized test or a multiple choice test, you have that option of being able to express your knowledge, demonstrate your knowledge through an essay or through a presentation, because at the end of the day, the most important thing is that a student is understanding the content, understanding those skills, and reaching their objectives, not necessarily how they got there.
Our school's motto is knowledge, commitment, and involvement. Every person who is here in this building, from the administration to the teachers, to the guidance counselors, to the office staff and the maintenance staff, are here to help you grow in mind, body, and spirit over your 4 years of high school. Our school runs on a block schedule. We have 2 terms per year, much like colleges. So in term 1, you will only take 4 courses. In term 2, you will take 4 different courses, giving you selection throughout the year and having you master each course area within an 18-week period. In a block schedule, you'll be in the classroom between 70 and 77 minutes. During that time, you will receive direct instruction, but you'll be doing varied activities with your classmates so that you can master the content.
One of the other reasons our students are so successful is because of the programs we have at SJV. For example, we have the ECA, the Early College Academy, and the AP Academy, which allows students to further their education even further beyond high school.
Being part of the Early College Academy and the AP Academy really helps students transition to college, because they're starting to take that advanced level academic work while they're still in high school. So they're getting a sense of the pacing of these classes, the rigor of these classes, so that when they make that jump to university, it's really not as difficult to transition.
If you are invited to the Early College Academy in your freshman year, you will take 4 years of dual enrollment courses taught by our teachers here at St. John's and other teachers taught at Brookdale Community College in your senior year. Those courses will be college-level courses, and at the end of your 4 years at St. John's, you will receive an associate's degree either in computer science or social science, making you a high school graduate as well as a community college graduate at the same time.
We have the Early College Academy program with Brookdale Community College. So basically, I teach the Brookdale courses. I teach U.S. Civilization 1 and 2, and the kids, they're going to get a 2-year degree from Brookdale while they're getting their high school degree at St. John's.
Students can be invited into the Advanced Placement Academy in freshman year so that they can maximize the number of advanced placement courses they take over the next 4 years of high school. We have a liberal arts section of the Advanced Placement Academy or a math science section of the Advanced Placement Academy. Do not worry if you're not invited to join one of these academies in your freshman year. You can take dual enrollment classes and AP classes during your 4 years at Saint John Vianney High School. Taking these level classes will put you at an advantage when it comes to applying for colleges. Now, with the changes of colleges' requirements for SATs and ACTs, the rigor of the curriculum that you take in high school is very important, and they will see a very rigorous curriculum on your transcripts. We have course levels for everyone, and we know that with our assistance, students can achieve anything at Saint John Vianney High School. Your faith and your faith development are very important to us. Each student takes theology each year that they are here, and we also have a very large service program that we invite all students to be involved in, whether they're in school or out of school. We want everyone to be involved in the faith programs here at Saint John Vianney High School.
The kids at St. John's are really good kids. I just find the students here are very extremely polite and helpful and very, very respectful. I like that they say prayers in the morning, prayers before each class, and a prayer during lunch and at the end of the day. St. John's teaches the kids to give back to their community and to the school. So there's a sense of participation, which I think is awesome.
I think it has a great sense of family. And I think particularly for high school kids, that word family means a lot. And that's really the one thing that I feel is such an important part. Not even so much, the curriculum is wonderful, it's all wonderful, but it's that family part that really brings it one step above all, for sure. Every day that I go home, I pinch myself because of what I feel, the energy, the feeling, the love. And I bring it with me every day, and I'm just blessed to be here, absolutely.
There are no limits to what you can accomplish at Saint John Vianney High School. Each day is a new page in a very large book. We hope that you join our virtual open houses, and we hope to have you here one day as part of our Lancer family.